Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
Okay, take a look at these sentences. For example, I went to the shop. It happened in the past. What did he buy? Right? It's a question asking about something that happened in the past. So in this grammar video, we will look at how to talk about the past and how to describe events that took place already. Now, do you think it's useful to be able to talk about the past? Yeah, because most things that happen to you happen in the past, right? There are only a few things that's happening at present. A lot of time you want to talk about the past, like how you learn Chinese, where you came from, etc. You always need to talk about the past. So let's turn our textbook to page 106 and take a look at grammar note number 1. The construction for the past tense is pretty simple. You know how in English you add ed to the end of a verb to indicate past? In Chinese, you just add l at the end of the verb, right? So subject plus verb, l. L-E, neutral tone, l. The particle l indicates completion. So this verb has already been done. It's already been completed. That's what the l signifies. For example, he went to learn how to drive. To drive is 开车. Learn how to drive is 学开车. He went to learn how to drive. 他去学开车了. 他去学开车了. Remember back in grammar 1.5.3 that l can also express a change of circumstance. How old is your daughter now? How old has your daughter become? 你女儿几岁了? So this l is indicating a change in age. And now we're looking at l indicating a completion of action. Really, the two are related, right? Because a change is the completion of a change, right? And this l here is really just indicating a completion of either a change or an action. For example, I went to the shop. 我去商店了. I went there already. I'm gone. 我去商店了. What did you buy? 你去买什么了? 你去买什么了? This l indicates that the buying action is already completed. 你去买什么了? If you just say 你去买什么, that will be what will you buy? Yeah, what will you buy? This is almost like the aspect of verb in some languages, right? Some languages have a perfective and imperfective. So l is kind of like making it perfective. So there you have it, how to express the past using l. If you have an object in the sentence, you can attach the object to the end. For example, I bought apples. 我买了苹果. 我买了苹果. I bought a few apples. 我买了一点苹果. 一点 is a little bit, right? 我买了一点苹果. I bought a lot of clothes. I bought quite a few clothes. 我买了不少衣服. 你去哪儿了？
我去买东西了。
你去买什么了？
买了不少衣服。
How many people did you see? 你看见了几个人？几个 is how many, right? 你看见了几个人？ To negate that, to say I did not do something, then you replace l with may, but you put may in front of the verb. For example, she didn't go to the store. 她没去商店。她没去商店。I didn't buy it. 我没买。I didn't see Mr. Zhang. 我没见张先生。见 is the same as 看见。Okay. 我没见张先生。Okay, time for a quick practice. How do you say, what did you go and buy? 你去买什么了? Very good. How about, I didn't buy apples? 我没买苹果. Very good.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 1 video course, We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.